Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is الرشید. I belong to Rega. I am a student in class 9 and Buner Model School, Rega. I thankful to Mr. Israr sir to give me opportunity to represent my topic in front of you. So my representation topic is human heart. So what is human heart? Human heart is made by a cardium. Human heart is a muscular pumping organ. It is present in the chest cavity behind the breastbone, between the two lungs. It is built on the left side because the left side is the largest chamber. Now we will discuss the structure of the heart. Structure of the heart. Heart is covered by a top double membrane which is called procardium. This is called procardium. It protects from the heart. It protects the heart from overextensions. There are the heart of birds and mammals has two sides, right side and left sides. Right side and left sides are divided by a wall which is called septum wall. Each side divided into upper and lower chamber, and each upper chamber is called atrium. So there are two atrium, right atrium and left atrium, and each lower chamber is called ventricle. There are two ventricles, right ventricles, left ventricles. Right atrium communicate right ventricle through a wall which is called tricuspid walls, having three flaps of muscles, and left atrium communicate left ventricle through a wall which is called bicuspid walls, having two flaps of muscles. So this is a structure of the heart. Now we will discuss the circulations of the blood. Circulation of the blood. When superior vena cava, there are the largest veins. Superior vena cava carry deoxygenated bloods from upper body parts to left atrium. Superior vena cava carry deoxygenated bloods from upper body parts to right atrium, and inferior vena cava deoxygenated bloods from lower body parts to right atrium. Right atrium send bloods to right ventricle through a wall which is called tricuspid walls. Right ventricle send bloods to lungs through pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery take deoxygenated bloods from lungs where gaseous exchanging. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated bloods from lungs to left atrium, and left atrium send bloods to left ventricle through a wall which is called bicuspid walls, and left ventricle send bloods to aorta, and aorta take oxygenated blood to whole body parts. Now we will discuss the cardiac cycles or heartbeat. One contraction and one relaxation of the heart is called cardiac cycle. It's make heart beat. Contraction is termed as systole and relaxation is diastole. One complete cycle is take 0.8 seconds. There are two phase systole. The first one is called systole and the second is diastole. During systole, the love sound was produced due to the tricuspid and bicuspid walls are open and semilunar walls are closed. During this, the love sound was produced. The second phase is called diastole. During diastole, the dub sound was produced due to the tricuspid and bicuspid walls are closed and semilunar walls are open, so to produce dub sounds. Have any question?
No. Excuse me, I asked a question.
Yes.
What is the differentiation between tricuspid wall and bicuspid wall?
Your question is that to define the tricuspid walls and bicuspid wall, differentiate. Tricuspid wall having three flaps of muscles and bicuspid walls have two flaps of muscles, so they are differentiated. Other question?
What is the difference between pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins?
All pulmonary veins carry oxygenated bloods except the pulmonary artery which carry deoxygenated bloods from lungs. Other question? No question. Thank you.